7 lonely days and a dozen times ago, I reached out one night, you were gone. Don't know why you'd run, what you're running to or from. All I know is I want to bring you home. So I'm walking in the rain, down for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. I love you much too long, my love's too strong to let you go. Never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead's another town that I'll go walking through, with the rain in my shoes, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain. Show you a photograph, some old gray-bearded man sitting on a bench outside the general store. They said yes, she's been here, but the memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No, wait, the day before. Finally got a ride with a preacher man who asked where you were bound on such a cold afternoon. As we drove on through the rain, as he listened, I explained, and he loved me with a prayer that I'd find you. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down,